Hi, I have a Lennox My iComfort thermostat model 103445-04. Recently it has started to reset temp setting on its own.
Where in your home is your Lennox thermostat installed? How old is it?
Centrally located in home and dining area, approximately 5 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Lennox thermostat? What have you tried so far?
3 or 4 days, made sure it is not on any schedule, have restarted it.
Is there anything else the HVAC Tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
Not that I know of.
Hello, thank you for using JustAnswer. My name is and I will do my best to help you with your issue. You will likely get a pop-up for a phone call option. I am not currently set up for phone call assistance, but the option is there if you wish to have a phone call from another service tech. If you wish to have a phone call, I can opt out for another expert to look at your question. I am looking at your question now and will respond in a few moments. Please be patient with my responses as I may have to attach files, drawings or look up specifications.
Thanks, Billy.
Hello, there are 2 choices. 1. The thermostat has a defect. 2. The thermostat is resetting because it loses power and then gets power again. This commonly caused by a water safety switch in a drain or pump from the furnace. Do you know if you have a water safety switch?
No switch.
Too bad. Is there anything else lately like power loss? Are you in heating or cooling when this happens?
Heating and cooling, Lennox heat pump. Thanks for the help. I will contact my local Lennox dealer.
I really wish you the best. Stay safe, Billy.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.